Hello my dear friends, this is me Monna once again. So today I'm gonna show you how to promote your website or how to promote your business or product or service like in Google Adword. So let's see how it's working that. At first we have to sign up your Google AdWords account. Then you have to go on the campaign options, then select on the plus on button, new campaign. So actually there have 5 categories in Google AdWord campaign, like search, display, shopping, video and universal app. So I'm explaining like shortly like search category. Search category like that which product people search most, like smartphones and other things you have to search by Google or others keyword like new something. That is the search category which people are recommendation by their product by searching. And another thing is display, which is scrolling your website and it's automatically showing by display. And it's type of extraordinary something like beauty fashions like that. This type of product in goes to display category. And shopping like that on remain that on website you have and the many products there, so you can select all products by going the shopping item and use the shopping cart like daraj.com, Peekaboo and charter.com, the Shopno Life, like that. And the video option is video showing here. Video is like one you have on a website like a short video or mostly we use like right now in YouTube videos. So if you promote your YouTube videos by video campaigning, then it automatically shows and category is video. And another option is universal app. Universal app basically it's depend on in which type of campaign you can run your product, should be app, and it's should be social app and the gaming app like that. It's showing on Android phones and the Windows exe file also supported in universal app category. So you have to select in first search category. Search category have 3 items: sales, leads and website traffic. So maximum of search category using the website traffic. So website traffic, after that we can create a campaign. After selecting the website traffic, create a campaign without a goal. Then with a goal something like that, what you types in websites visits, phone calls and app downloads. So this type of your search category. So maximum items is website visit, right? So your business website link like my business website link like that, blue orchid event dot blogspot.com. This is my website, and continue. So I select in display category. So the type search, I have to use a campaign name event, event. My campaign name is event. And location, you can set your extra location also like the cities and country like Bangladesh. Default is Bangladesh. And language is also English. Budget, so which type of budget, and I spent the maximum budget, how much I want to spend per day. So I prefer here the $5 per day. And what do you want to focus on? Clicks, right? So maximum types is click, so it basically size on click. Maximum CPC bid limit, so here we showing the maximum CPC means the maximum cost per click bid limit. So which maximum cost per click, so you have to mention that how much your total budget and how much your ad will be run, how much days. So that's type of, so I'm related like 0.10, it's my maximum budget for per click, right? So start and end dates. Start date from 10 July 2018 and end date select 12 July 2018. audience, select audience to add your campaign. So it's like a audience type. You means the some like of keywords phrase on URL like that, that you just select like event, right? So event, if I put in event, so here showing the corporate event planning service, um, like party supplies and planning like that, wedding planning, yes. So that's type of things. So I'm selecting here the 4 categories. You can narrow your audience by clicking those options here, and my 4 categories is I feel okay. So audience targeting setting for this campaign, targeting or observation recommended. Observation means that you have to select on the automatically observed. No, I'm selecting the targeting people from here, event services, event photographies, and the wedding planning service, yes, corporate, like this. So I'm selecting the targeting audience for the 4 categories, and after that styling extension I have to styling extension means your after the create campaigning you have to give minimum 2 extension at least. So we have to show the event here, no styling extension. Okay, photo, okay. Site link means your which type of site, like blog. Okay, we can put here like blog. Okay, we remove it. New styling extension, styling text like event management, event management. Description line you can put we provide here for corporate events. For photography. Final URL, my final URL is same, blue orchid event.blogspot.com. So that is okay. We can save it, app, save and continue. So we can after see add your here see the add group name event, also event 001. Enter some keywords there, like that 3 step of search category people are searching your event, like Dhaka event on Bangladesh, wedding planner, corporate events, like that. So 7 continue. Okay, it's totally just selected for here, and almost my setup is running for here. After create and continue to campaign, if I select here continue to campaign, then my ad will be run. So that is the system actually, how you have to make a search categories campaign in your website or website system also. So that is the things. I hope you can try it large. So this is the things. Take care and bye.